Welcome to GVI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Mini Cooper. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic velvet silver and looks in great condition and third-year mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The first owner chose over £5,000 worth of factory options. These include the half leather seats, as well as the chili pack, climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. On the steering wheel, you've got the multi-function steering wheel. Again, an added feature with the cruise control there on the right-hand side. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror controls. As you open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats and your parcel shelf that's still in place. Externally, the factory options were the fog lights, as well as the 16-inch twin spoke alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.